Hello students, future continuous is in continuation. Now two parts of future continuous is finished, affirmative and negative. Now interrogative sentence, the sentence in which interrogative words are given is called interrogative sentence, by which question is asked is divided into two parts. प्रश्न पूछे जाने वाले वाक्य को प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य कहते हैं. पहले भी कई बार रिपीट किया जा चुका है एंड फ्रीक्वेंटली आई हैव टोल्ड अबाउट इंट्रोगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, व्हाट टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव एंड हु टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव. इन व्हाट टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव द सेंटेंस इन विच क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड विथ क्या हिंदी स्टार्ट विथ क्या हिंदी वर्ड एंड इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विथ shall will helping verb and be helping verb is given after subject. What type interrogative? Introduction of what type interrogative has already been given, but now I want to say about this sentence in which if sentence is in Hindi, kya Hindi word is given in the starting of this sentence, and if the sentence is in English to translate in Hindi, helping verb will be given. It is the significance of what type interrogative sentence. Now construction of this type of sentence is shall and will helping verb is given in the starting of the sentence, then subject, then after helping verb be MV4 and object for the completion of the sentence. वाक्य को पूरा करने के लिए according to this theory given by necessary to know helping verbs are divided into two parts, shall, will and be, and in between both of the helping verbs subject is given, then MV4 and object. Now second part of interrogative sentence is who type interrogative, in which question word is given in the midst of the sentence. The sentence starts with question word given in the midst of the sentence. After that shall, will, helping verb, subject and be helping verb is given. Description of WHO type interrogative. The sentence starts with question word given in the sentence, and after that helping verb shall, will, subject, then helping verb be, MV4 and object. It is the rule of the construction of the sentence. Now rule is given: construction QW question word, helping verb shall, will plus subject, helping verb be plus MV4 plus object. In this way both parts of interrogative sentence will be completed. Now example is given: क्या वह बाजार जा रहा होगा? विल ही बी गोइंग टू मार्केट? कुत्ते क्यों भौंक रहे होंगे? वाई विल द डॉग्स बी बार्किंग? बी हेल्पिंग वर्ब is given for the continuation of the work, and future continuous means अपूर्ण भविष्यकाल, आने वाले समय में जिस काल के चलते रहने का संकेत हो उसे फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस कहते हैं. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड that be helping verb, been helping verb and being helping verbs are used only to show the continuation of the work. So, in this sentence also be form helping verb is given to show the continuation of the work. It means in the coming of the time being the work will be continuous. और इस तरह वाक्य के लगातार निरंतरता को बताने के लिए, लगातार चलते रहने की प्रक्रिया को बताने के लिए हम लोग शैल विल हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ बी फॉर्म हेल्पिंग वर्ब का प्रयोग करते हैं. इट शोज द कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ द वर्क. थैंक यू. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब and like this video.